Hello everyone, greetings for the day. Welcome back to another tutorial on SQL. This is Srinath Mukamalla and you are watching the latest tutorial on SQL. Today we are going to learn about SQL check constraint. SQL check constraint is used to limit the range that can be placed in that column. So I can give example like if you want a license, like they put a condition like your age should be greater than or equal to 18. So if you get any applications like below 18, just reject that. So let's go to the SQL and verify that. So now I'll create a table called license. So I'll create a serial number, int comma name, varchar comma address, varchar, and I will give age int. So now I'll put a condition like if age greater than or equal to 18, then only accept the applications. So let's see that. I'll put check constraint age greater than or equal to 18. So let me run this command. So command completed successfully. So now what I'll do, I'll insert some values into this table. Insert into table name, values, give 1 comma name, Banaswadi address, age 25. I'll copy this. So I got these many applications. So let's do 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So now first number will have 25 age, second number 30, third number is 18, fourth is 30, 5, fifth having age is 17, sixth having age is 16. Now remaining all greater than 18. So now let me run this command. We'll see what and all is going to execute. See, let me run this command. We got an error here. We got an error message. The insert statement conflicted with the check constraint. So what happened here? The age is below 18. So I got this error. Let me run this. Select star from license. So if I run this, see, now one having 25 age greater than 18, 30 greater than 18, 18 greater than equal to 18, so then it is accepted. But the fourth one is greater than 18, right? Then why this is got error? Okay, fine. Fourth is fine. Fifth and sixth are less than 18, so we got this was not displayed in this table. I hope you understand the video. If you like the video, please subscribe, share and comment. Thanks for the video. Bye.